Hello everyone. This video is important for all the stakeholders related with the kids, whether they are parents, teachers, schools, non-state actors, decision makers, or social scientists. Actually, we know these days जो हमारे बच्चे हैं, they are always in the pressure. This pressure is related with the exams, scoring high marks, pressure from peer groups, pressure due to changes occurred in the adolescent age. So as a teacher, I would like to discuss or find the measures as well as causes psychologically why people often go for an impulsive decision of suicide or suffer from depression, anxiety, OCD, etc. We know there are five in general there are five type of quotients. The first is the intelligence quotient, which is very known to everyone. It measures a child intelligence, but we have to keep in mind that this intelligence cannot be drastically changed. Actually, it depends upon the innate or inner capabilities of a student or a kid. But we know conventionally, whether teacher or parents, they focused upon IQ. Yes, it is important factor, but see the recent case of Sushant Singh. He was the topper in engineering entrance exam. He was topper in Olympia. He was a brilliant student, but see the final outcomes. Similarly, an IS examination is a very tough one, difficult one. It is very difficult to get through. But we know in Bihar, uh, an IS officer suicide. Similarly, long back ago, when Bihar and Jharkhand was clubbed together or united one, two students were the topper in IIT exam. The first one and the second rank holder also belongs to the same school, and they took admission in IIT Kanpur. The first student, unable to cope up with the pressure at IIT, and he left the college in the midway. Whereas the second one, he able to sustain the pressure. The reason was that the second boy was academically as well as co-scholastic activities he get involved. In extracurricular activities he get involved in the school. So he able to handle the pressure over there. Whereas the first boy, who was excellent in academic life, but his sole focus was on academic pursuance, and that was one of the reason for his dropout from the IIT. So the other factor, the other quotient, we will talk about the other four quotient, which is more important than the IQ. Why? Because we can able to impart or inculcate those values which enhance the ability to make the children mentally and physically fit for the challenges of life ahead. The second important quotient is the emotional quotient, EQ. Now, what is EQ? Actually, It is emotional intelligence. It reflects the personality of a child, of a person. What you are is actually an emotional quotient. uh, it help this ability, it helps the to generate the ability to handle the emotions positively, rationally, and healthily. Now, emotions related due to related with the stress, emotions related with the impulsive action, emotions related with the challenges and the goals at the personal and professional levels. So now the $1 million question is for a parents or teachers or any stakeholders, how we will inculcate the emotional intelligence in the child. First, you should available emotionally to your child. In today's world, when the both parents are working, it is difficult for the parents to be available, which is a major drawback in the megapolitan cities. uh, Second, उनके प्रॉब्लम्स को नज़रअंदाज ना करें. थिंक फ्रॉम देयर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपन्स ऑफन, बच्चे पूछते हैं कोई प्रश्न तो पेरेंट्स कहते हैं कि तुम अभी छोटे हो, अभी तुम इसके समझने के लायक नहीं हो. दिस टाइप ऑफ आंसर promotes negativity among the child. It underestimates the potential of the child. Instead of encouraging to learn, you are trying to discourage the child, which is not correct one. The third one, AQ, adverse quotient. It is equally important. It refers to an ability to handle or to be ready or to be adaptive to in the changing circumstances, to face the adverse situation. So it is very important to develop the ability among the child to face adverse situation. A children must know that hardship is a part and parcel of life. Don't try to shield your children from the hardship. तो कैसे कैसे उन बच्चों में हम एडवर्सिटी क्वोशेंट को डेवलप करें? तो सबसे पहले बच्चों को रियल लाइफ स्टोरीज से परिचय कराएं. उन्हें बताएं कि आप विपरीत परिस्थितियों में अपना टेम्पर, अपना मेंटल बैलेंस नहीं खो पाएं. उन्हें यह भी बताएं कि अगर आप फेल होते हैं, बच्चा फेल होता है तो निराश होता है, छोटा बच्चा रोने लगता है. उन्हें समझाएं कि दिस इज द फेल्यूर इज द सक्सेस स्टेप्स और लैडर फॉर द सक्सेस of the future. Make them ready to face the real life challenges, real life situations. जो मैंने कहा कि रियल स्टोरीज को बताएं बच्चों को इंस्टीड ऑफ फिक्शनल स्टोरीज. जैसे हमारे एक्स प्रेसिडेंट अबुल कलाम, he faced lot of hardship in his early life, but he reached to the highest position of our country. He became the president, and he is a role model for everyone. Similarly, you are aware about the brand KFC. KFC, Colonel Sanders was he is the owner of this KFC. In the age of 60, imagine, before starting this KFC, this man went through so many phases of life which was the hardship, full of hardship. And in the age of 60s, he able to build up an empire of KFC. Similarly, there is a cricketer MS Dhoni. His life is also an inspirational. In general, our parents focused upon बेटा नौकरी कर लो, बेटा जॉब पहले इम्पोर्टेंट है, खेलना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. But try to develop a confidence in your child so that he able to pursue his dream instead of imposing your own dream, instead of thinking from world point of view, think from your children point of view. One more thing, don't compare your children with the others, because every child is a unique one. You should not compare, but oftenly parents do comparison. So similarly, the southern superstar Rajnikant, he also faced hardship in his life, but now he is a successful man. There are many stories which can be used to inculcate the ability to face the adverse situation. Now the next one is the creative quotient. Actually, it refers to ability to think out of box. It is very important. If you are able to think out of box through your innovative approach, through your critical thinking, through your problem solving capacity, it will gradually enhance these traits, these features in a child. हम विषम परिस्थिति में भी निराश नहीं होंगे. हम ऑप्शन ढूंढेंगे, विकल्प ढूंढेंगे कि जीवन में क्या विकल्प है. आत्महत्या करना या अवसाद से शिकार होना या चिंता में रहना नहीं, वो विकल्प नहीं है. उस समस्या के समाधान का विकल्प ढूंढना है. और जब विकल्प ढूंढेंगे तो एक उम्मीद जगेगी. तो विकल्प से उम्मीद और उम्मीद से विश्वास जगेगा, और वही विश्वास हमें सफलता दिलाएगी. मैं आपको एक रियल स्टोरी बता रहा हूँ अपने स्टूडेंट का, जो 2017 में हमारे यहाँ से हमारे स्कूल आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल दानापुर कैंट से +2 पास किया. रोहन सिंह 10th पास करने के बाद, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि बिहार और यूपी में पेरेंट्स कहते हैं कि अगर आप अच्छा मार्क्स लाए हो तो आपको साइंस पढ़ना है. सो ही स्कोर्ड गुड मार्क्स and he joined science in class 11, but later he realized that he is not fit for science because he want to be an entrepreneur in his life. So he shifted to commerce and he finished his +2 from commerce from our school. And this boy who finished his +2 in 2017, and within 3 years he is one of the co-founder of a fastest growing startup company, Magtap Technology Private Limited, based at Mumbai. So you have to think out of box, you have to find the options. There are many options. Don't get involved in impulsive actions कि आत्महत्या कर लें, अब तो कुछ बचा नहीं. विकल्प ढूंढिए जीवन में. तो प्रश्न आता है कि ये कैसे डेवलप करें. आखिर ये जो क्रिएटिव क्वोशेंट तो बेस्ट है. बच्चों को एक्सकर्शन पे ले जाएं, छुट्टियों में दादा के घर, नाना नानी के घर ले जाएं, टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन पे ले जाएं, म्यूज़ियम ले जाएं, गैलरी ले जाएं, आर्ट गैलरीज ले जाएं, प्लेनेटोरियम ले जाएं, उन्हें क्रॉसवर्ड सॉल्व करने को दो, पजल दें, सुडोक दें, उनका अभ्यास कराएं. so that they able to think out of box, which is very important. The last one, the last quotient is the spiritual quotient. Spiritual here doesn't mean related with any religion, any community. Actually, it is related with an ability to connect to your inner self. It reflects the self-realization. It reflects the self-consciousness. How you are aware about yourself. It is very important to live a peaceful, humble, happy and contented life. Actually, this ability makes a child to be truly human, which is the most valuable traits of human being. एक्चुअली बुद्ध ने कहा था कि इस पृथ्वी पे, इस धरती पे वो सभी चीजें उपलब्ध हैं जो आपकी जरूरतों को पूरा करते हैं, बट नॉट एनीथिंग टू फुलफिल योर ग्रीड्स. दिस अर्थ contain everything to feed you, but nothing to feed your greed. So a contented life is very important. बुद्ध ने आगे अपने जीवन के अंतिम क्षणों में उन्होंने कहा था कि अपना प्रकाश स्वयं बनो, लाइट अनटू योरसेल्फ, अपदीपो भव. यानी जब चारों तरफ से विपरीत परिस्थितियां हो तो अपने को खोजना है, स्वयं को जानना है, स्वयं को प्रकाशित करना है. अगर ऑप्शंस खत्म हो गए, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि ऑप्शंस खत्म हो गए. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ सिल्वर लाइन. सो थिंक पॉजिटिवली, बी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. अब आता है प्रश्न कि बच्चों में ये ईक्यू को कैसे डेवलप करें, कैसे इनकलकेट करें इस स्पिरिचुअल कोसेंट को कैसे डेवलप करें. तो बहुत कॉमन आजकल सभी लोग बोलते हैं. अभी 21 जून परसों इंटरनेशनल योगा डे भी होने वाला है. सो मेडिटेशन कराएं, सबसे पहले मेडिटेशन कराएं बच्चों को, जो कि हमारे पेरेंट्स आजकल नहीं करते हैं. फिनेंशियल डिसिप्लिन सिखाएं, इनकम और एक्सपेंडिचर के यथार्थ को समझाएं, उनके थॉट्स और एक्शंस के कॉज और इफेक्ट को बताएं, उनमें वैल्यूज डेवलप करें, पेशेंस का, उनमें वैल्यू डेवलप करें कंटेंटमेंट का, उनमें वैल्यू डेवलप करें पॉजिटिविटी का, उनमें वैल्यू डेवलप करें उम्मीद का. सो पर्पस of this video is to aware the parents, the teachers and the other stakeholders to think about the important quotient of the life other than IQ. And these other than IQ, the 4 quotients are emotional quotient, adverse quotient, creative quotient and the spiritual quotient. This is the logical one. Emotional, to handle your emotions. Adverse quotient, to be ready, to be adaptive for changing circumstances. Creative quotient, to think out of box, to find the options. विकल्प ढूंढें, उम्मीद रखें, विश्वास रखें, सफलता तो मिलेगी. और चौथा स्पिरिचुअल क्वोशेंट, जीवन में पेशेंस, जीवन में कंटेंटमेंट इंपॉर्टेंट है, हम्बल लाइफ जीना है. आप जितने भी बड़े लोगों को देखेंगे, यू विल फाइंड दे आर वेरी हम्बल, दे आर वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ. तो ये हमें सीख मिलती है ये मनुष्य जीवन सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जीवन कहा जाता है। बहुत सारी योनियां हैं, हमारे धर्म ग्रंथों में लिखते हैं, लेकिन ये मनुष्य का जीवन बहुत भाग्य से मिलता है। तो इसको बेकार ना होने दें और ये समझें कि अगर ऊपर वाले ने हमें भेजा है यहाँ, तो एक पर्पस है और उस पर्पस को आपको फुलफिल करना है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।